করতে পারবো।
What is the present scenario of your job? What are the demands? What is this mass protest that is taking place over here?
Today, actually, we have come here in front of city center to face our demand. On 3rd of October, we had three organizations. Under the three organizations, we went and met our Honorable CM, and after that, he had given the assurance that he would look into the matter and come out with a permanent solution within 2 months. So the deadline was 3rd of December. So after crossing 3rd of December also, since we haven't got any positive response from our Honorable CM, so that is why we are here in front of city center in demand of our job security, in demand of our livelihood. So today we have come up with two demands. One is our permanent settlement of our job as per 127 para, which where in the year 2014 judgment was given by Honorable High Court of Tripura, where in 127 it is clearly mentioned that only the challenge teacher, the number is 462. So only those are the teachers who is supposed to lose the job, but the rest shall continue with the same benefit. But instead of implementing, the state government instead of implementing that law which was passed by the Honorable High Court on 2014, now after March 31st, 2020, the entire teacher, 10 to 3 teachers are entirely terminated from the education department. So now ultimately we seek for our livelihood and we request our honorable government to kindly implement this 127 or through any other means how they can rescue us from this matter. And our second demand is since 2014 there are about we have lost around 76 teachers who have already expired. So we demand for dine harness job to all those deceased family. This is our two demands from today's sitting demonstration at City Center, Agartala, Tripura. So the reason after 2 months till now Chief Minister haven't given his assurance. So even after 2 months, if the Chief Minister doesn't solve the matter of 10,300 teacher permanent, then we are compelled to go with much larger demonstration and much larger protest will take place in Tripura, and this will create a very historic incident in the state of Tripura. Unless our all demands are fulfilled, we are not going to move even an inch from our demand. Even an inch we are not going to move from our protest. This is our commitment, and under the banner of three organizations, Joint Movement Committee, Dosa-300, we three organizations are fighting together to raise our voice and come out with a permanent solution. So we request our honorable government of Tripura, Honorable CM Biplab Kumar Deb, to kindly take this initiative and kindly take this matter very seriously, because if this matter is not solved in due time, then many more, we will see many more who is going to lose our life.
How many have died till now?
Till now we have already lost 76 teachers, and all those families who have lost their lives are living in a very miserable condition. Thank you.
Thank you.